Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to share a specific post on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to share a specific post on your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can share your specific post on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you will see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then in here, scroll down and select the post you wanted to share. And then in here, to share this post, you will see this send button. Simply tap on it. And then in here, you'll see this share button. Tap on this share button. And then in here, you can share where never share and many more. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can share your Instagram post, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can share a specific post on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.